Hey everyone! Welcome to this video where we'll dive into how you can start your very own YouTube channel and turn it into a money-making machine in 2024. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to take your existing channel to the next level, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Section 1. Setting up your channel. First things first, let's set up your channel. Sign into YouTube and click on your profile picture. Select Create a Channel. Choose a channel name that represents your brand. Upload a profile picture and channel banner. Fill out your About section with a compelling description. Pro tip: make sure your channel name is memorable and relevant to your content. Section 2. Finding your niche. Now let's talk about what you'll actually be making videos about. Consider your passions and expertise. Research popular topics and trends. Analyze the competition in your chosen niche. Find a unique angle or perspective to stand out. Remember, authenticity is key. Choose a niche you're genuinely interested in. Section 3. Creating quality content. Here's what you need to focus on when creating your videos. Invest in basic equipment like a camera, microphone, and lighting. Plan your content with a content calendar. Write engaging scripts or outlines. Edit your videos for maximum impact. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Quality over quantity is crucial in 2024. Make each video count. Section 4. Growing your audience. Let's talk about how to get those views and subscribers. First, optimize your videos for search or SEO. Engage with your audience through comments. Collaborate with other creators. Promote your videos on social media. Be consistent with your upload schedule. Building a community takes time, so be patient and persistent. Section 5. Monetizing your channel. Now for the part you've been waiting for, making money. Join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Enable ads on your videos. Explore other revenue streams like sponsorships and brand deals, merchandise, channel memberships, super chat and super stickers, and affiliate marketing. Remember, diversifying your income sources is key to sustainable earnings. Conclusion. Starting a YouTube channel and earning money in 2024 is definitely possible with the right strategy and dedication. Focus on creating value for your audience, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. Your YouTube journey starts now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on growing your online presence. Drop a comment below with your YouTube goals for 2024. I'd love to hear from you.